Okay, it's a glorious day again. It's a cloudy day outside. It's a wonderful day, I think so. So let's get started. Our topic is water, right? So, or would you possibly tell me some benefit advantages of water? But I think you don't seem to have taken your lunch, I think so. Have you taken your lunch?
No, no, I didn't take my
So
lunch.
first, tell me what are the advantages of water?
There are a lot of advantages of water. First, we can drink water. We can take bath also with the help of water, and the water is very terribly crucial in our life. The water is a second life. The water is the secondary life of human beings. When we cook something or anything, we need to add water. We have to add water because when we are cooking vegetables, so we have to wash the vegetables. When we didn't wash, so it may cause germs that we will eat. So water is very crucial in our life, and there are a lot of advantages, like the water we can drink and bath also.
I think I like the way you describe about the advantages of water. But remember, Simnan, when you talk about water, we can categorize the answer. As I mentioned that, for example, there are a lot of advantages of water. First of all, secondly, thirdly, lastly. Okay, or you can say point number one, point number two, point number three, and the last but not the least. And you can talk about it, right? So when we categorize the answer, to use those words. Try to add conjunctions also in addition to that. Furthermore is not well spoken, but you can say in addition to that, additionally. However, you mentioned that water is life. Why do you think water is life, man?
Sir, because water is our life. Because sir, when we didn't drink water, so when we don't drink water, we may die. Like we may die, sir, because it depends on the day.
Please, he's on record right now. Okay, he's saying that we may die without water. What do you think? We will die or we may die? I think we will definitely die without water, right?
It depend on the person. If he drinks lot, if he drank a lot of water, so he can survive more days. But when he didn't drink the water, so maybe he cannot survive more days.
Could you describe to me rainy season in English language? Rainy season. Do you like to describe? Can you do it, bro? Go ahead.
Rainy season is also important in our life because when the rain starts, the dams are
Dams are fully,
completely overflowing with the water, so we can drink. But the in the on the planet Earth, there is 71% of water and 29% of land. But only 1% of water is drinkable in this planet Earth. And there are 12 types of water. First, filter water, pot water, pure water, black water, white water, cold water, hot water, and what else? Sparkling water, distilled water, tap water, mineral water. And
So brother mentioned a lot of water. I think I'm sick and tired of this crazy category. So let me ask him that what kind of water do you like drinking?
so I love drinking filter water and cold water.
So when you drink cold when anytime or like in
No, no.
summer?
In summer, only in Ramadan. In Ramadan, I drink cold water because because I am extremely thirsty. So I drink only in summer. Only in Ramadan, I drink cold water, but in summer, normal water.
Brother, I'm hooked on cold water, right? I love cold water.